Today we are talking about theoretical probability. Okay, we've done experimental probability, which is the probability when you actually perform the experiment. Theoretical is what you assume will happen based on the situation at hand. So, for instance, a six-sided number cube is rolled once. What is the sample space? So your sample space is what are your total possible outcomes? Well, my outcomes are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Those are my possible outcomes, which means there are 6 total possible outcomes. Okay, so an odd number from 1 to 15 is drawn at random. What is the sample space? So just the odd numbers. 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, 11, 13, and 15 are your odd numbers. Remember, even numbers are divisible by 2, odd numbers are not. Okay, so I'm just listing them all. Several more you can try just like that. Okay. Then this one says use the spinner for problems 7 and 8. The spinner is spun once. Determine the theoretical probability of the spinner landing on a blue space. Okay, well, in this spinner, there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 possible outcomes. Okay, out of those 12, 1, 2, 3 are blue, so 3 out of 12. And we can simplify that to be 1/4. Okay, so your theoretical probability is 1 out of 4, or 25%. Okay, the theoretical probability of the spinner landing on an even number. Okay, so even numbers are divisible by 2. So 4, 2, 4, 6, 2, and 6 are my even numbers. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 out of 12 are even, which simplifies to 1/2. So I have a 50% probability, or 1 out of 2 probability of landing on an even number. Okay? Okay, you can try numbers 9 through 12 on your own there. All right, number 13, a nickel is selected at random out of a bag containing 15 pennies, 10 nickels, and 15 dimes. What is the probability of the complement of the event? Okay, so the complement is the opposite of the event. Okay, so it says a nickel is selected at random out of the bag. Well, a nickel is 10 out of 15 plus 10 is 25 plus 15 is 40. So 10 out of 40 coins, okay, which is 1 out of 4. All right, so the complement of that would be what is the probability of not getting a nickel. So that's going to be 3 out of 4 would be the complement. Okay, the complement is the probability of not drawing a nickel. All right, the names of months of the year are cut from a calendar and put into a bag. A month with more than 5 letters in its name is drawn. What is the probability of the complement of that event? So more than 5 letters. So January, February, March, March, that has 5. So that's not more than 5. April, April, that's only 5. So that's here we have 2 that are not 5 and 2 that are 5 and 2 that are more. Okay. March, April, May is less than 5. June is less than 5. July is 5. August, September, October, November, and December will all be more than 5. So we have 5, 6, 7 that are not, and 5 that are. 5 plus 7 is 12. So it says a month with more than 5 letters is drawn in its name, which means the complement is actually drawing one that has 5 or less. So 5 out of the 12 is going to be the complement to that. Okay? So you can try 15 and 16 on your own, just like that.